Paperless movement, your productivity, your way.
Hey there and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. You know, I'm a big fan of Apple Notes for quick note-taking, capturing meeting insights and even building a single source of truth. Today I reveal some hidden superpowers of Apple Notes that you might not know. Watch until the end of this video to find out how you can unlock the full potential of Apple Notes and learn how you can integrate it into your productivity system and business workflows. Now let's dive in. So in order to use hashtags, you can even use your Apple Pencil and just write a hashtag. So whenever you start taking a note and you want to categorize these notes, instead of folders, you're using hashtags, you just write down a hashtag. In this case, I call it test. When we say, wait a second, you see very faintly it underlines the hashtag. I just tap on there and then it asks me if it should convert to a hashtag. I tap on this, now the underline becomes yellow. This means the hashtag is now available down here. I hit the test hashtag and you see the note comes up here because I use test here. That's really awesome. Of course, I can just write a hashtag as well, but I thought that's a feature that not many know, that you even can handwrite these hashtags inside Apple Notes and it will convert it to proper hashtags to become searchable. So very quickly for organization, when you are inside there, you can swipe on folders, for example, and then there you have additional options like the folder option where you can move the folder, you can delete the folder, you can share it with people, go into the folder, and there again you can swipe. You have additional options like sharing, moving to a different folder, deleting, or the other way around, and you can pin it, or when you slowly go it will stay there and you can tap to pin it. So now it's pinned inside this folder or on top of everything, it's pinned as well. And these are the pinned notes. That's another way to organize notes. You just pin and it stays on the folder pinned, or on the top level it is pinned as well. If you're inside a folder, you have different sorting options. So you go to the three dots of the folder, you can say sort notes by date edited, date created, or title. And when you go there, there's newest to oldest or oldest to newest, right? So you go to date created, for example, and then you have an additional option which is available in the new iOS that will come to the iPad as well, but I show you on the iPhone now because there's the iOS 16. When you go there and we are in the folder, we go to the three dots and there's another thing like grouped by date. It is now grouped by different dates, which is really nice, and that's another great option that you will get in the new iPad OS as well. If you want to reorganize your folders, you simply drag and drop your folder into different places. So you just hover over another thing and now it makes it a subfolder. You can make subfolders up to 5 levels deep. Another thing is the visualization of your notes. So when you go to notes and you go to the three dots up here, you can view as a gallery as well. So it gives you more of the content and you can change the size. So if you have a lot with a lot of pictures in there, that might be nice for you to visualize. And here you can say view attachments. So this way it shows you all the attachments that you have attached to these sites, even the websites, the audio recordings, the documents that you have there. This is really convenient to get an overview of all the things that you added to the different notes. Here, for example, the photos. Now you can go to show all and scroll through the photos that you added to all the notes. So you can even go here and say convert to smart folder, and then you say convert to smart folder, and now it is a smart folder. So what are smart folders actually? So if I go here and say edit smart folder, I have different options. This is the old version still, where you can just select different hashtags and it would add all the notes with the different hashtags in there. See, no notes are shown. Why? Because only notes that have these three types of hashtags would show up now. So if I remove this, only the Apple Notes hashtag notes will show up. So what was the purpose of converting this to a smart folder? By doing this, it added to all the notes a hashtag Apple Notes. Okay, to do this again, to show you, for example, courses, if you go to course, see there is no hashtag here. But if I convert this folder now into a smart folder, it adds a hashtag courses there. And therefore makes also the rule for the smart folder to only include notes that contain courses. Alright, that's very basic, but with the new iOS, and it is also coming to the iPad OS, smart folders are even better. So when we go here, we just created the Apple Notes smart folder. Let's go in there and then edit the smart folder in here. And there you see manage smart folder. Now I have other things. I can say all selected text, any selected text, any tag, or no tags, or off. Right, so I can say now any selected text, and then I can select several tags, and it will now include all the nodes with the different tags as well. But that's just the beginning, because there's even more that I want to show you. We can double tap, see, it says only show me the node that has a to-do, but exclude the nodes that have Apple Notes and hashtag as a hashtag. So this is really nice. And another thing is you have even more filters now. So I can filter by date created. So if I just want to go here and say last 7 days, this would be a folder that shows me always only the nodes of the last 7 days or last 3 months and so on, or custom range. So you have a relative range here. You can say the past hour and so on. That's really powerful. Same applies to date edited, but here very nice is checklists. So I could say, show me only the nodes that have unticked checklist. And that's what I showed you in the beginning. You can create checklists and then actually make a smart folder that only shows me nodes that have checklists in there with unchecked things. So when I check this off now, see it switch to all iCloud. It's no longer part of the Apple Notes folder. So when I check all them off, all the nodes that are in here, see, it moves it automatically out of the smart list. And that's really nice, because this way you can have one smart folder that tracks all the open tasks that you still have to do. And there we go, Apple Notes is now empty. When I create a new node anywhere, right? I just create a new node anywhere. I add a new checklist with open items that I need to do. Let's say I make some notes during a meeting that I won't want to forget. I just done. It is placed in all my notes, not even in a folder, but now I can go to Apple Notes and this node shows up because there are open items. And this is where I really think this is so powerful, that you can start taking notes randomly just by using some hashtags or using checklists, and then have smart folders in order to find the relevant information later on. So are you excited about what you just saw? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to master Apple Notes and elevate your skills, join us in the Paperless Movement membership. Here you'll find my extensive Apple Notes deep dive, where I show you in over 1 hour how to get the most out of this app. Plus, you'll gain access to many other deep dives and our iCore courses designed to help you tackle scattered information and boost your productivity as a business professional. If you join us today, I'm thrilled to personally welcome you to our community, where our co-founder Paco Cantero, myself, and hundreds of like-minded members are here to help you build your productivity system your way. For more details, check out the description below this video. If you found this information useful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. See you next time.